Shirakawa-go is located in the northwestern part of Gifu Prefecture. A small village surrounded by strong mountains. 96% of the village area is forested, while agricultural land only accounts for 0.4%. One of Shirakawa-go's key climate features is that its snowfall is some of Japan's heaviest, record snowfall up to 4.5 meters. Because of the area's natural environment, with high mountains and heavy snowfall, interaction with neighboring regions was limited. In December 1995, Shirakawa-go was registered as the UNESCO World Heritage Site of the historic villages of Shirakawa-go and Gokayama. Natural environment also created the conditions for the development of unique cultural practices and lifestyles. Gassho-style houses are residences built from wooden beams that support their characteristic and are said to resemble hands meeting in prayer, while similar buildings are seen in other provinces. In Shirakawa-go, this style of building, known as gabled gassho-style, with its triangular-shaped eaves resembling an open book propped up on its covers, is ideally adapted to the natural conditions in here, characterized by great weights of snow deposited during heavy snowfalls. One of the ways in which gassho-style houses differ from other traditional Japanese houses is that the attics are employed as workspaces. The large attic spaces under the eaves were usually divided into 2 to 4 layers, and put to effective use in the rearing of silkworm. Additionally, the structures face to the north and south, taking Shirakawa-go's predominant wind direction into account and minimizing wind resistance, while controlling the amount of sunlight hitting the roof, to provide cool summers and warmer winters. Even as times change and people's lives change, the wisdom of our predecessors still lives in this village. It is essential to repair and rewind the thatched roof to protect the unique Japanese landscape culture. In 1997, the Shirakawa-go World Heritage Site Gassho-style Preservation Trust was established to conduct further landscape preservation activities in the village. Here is a young man who connects Japanese tradition to the future.